Hey y'all, thanks for following, and I'm gonna start adding more content, and this video is going to be a combination of how to shop on a budget in Oslo and fitness recipes. So what I first did was I went to my shop where I like to get meat and decided what I was gonna make with what they had on sale, if there was anything I liked on sale, and I was very lucky. I got this, which I'm going to make a kind of like a pot roast or stew out of with vegetables and serve it with barley on the side. And this is free-range chicken breast. And with that, I'm going to make sort of a fajita without fajita taco shells. And I'm going to make kind of a curry, but it's really basic. It's just gonna have chicken with lime and ginger and spices, etc. So I got the meat. This one was 50% off, and this was 30% off. And then I wanted some chocolate, so I went to another store and got this chocolate. This is 20 kroner, and honestly, I don't care if it sounds bad. This is my favorite milk chocolate here. It's really creamy, a little teeny tiny salty, really rich and creamy and chocolatey, and I really like it. Freya is also really good, but this one, I compared them and they're both really good, but I kind of prefer this one. So I got this one instead. And actually the Freya one was on sale today, but I decided I just wanted this basic one. It's really good. And then at Oslo S, they had a concert, and they also were giving out these Jule marzipan. So it's Christmas, like Jule means Christmas, marzipan, it's marzipan. Norwegian marzipan is really lighter than UK marzipan or American marzipan. It's really light. I have no idea. I should make a video of trying this because I've never tried these before. And then I went to my third shop. So going back, we got meat, then we got chocolate, and then I went to Grønland-Torg, to the bodega there, and I got bell peppers, toucans. These were about 6 kroner each. They're sort of crushed tomatoes, and then I got fresh cilantro. This was about 5 kroner today, and this lime was about 11 kroner. These 4 onions were, I don't know, about 15 kroner, and then I got these 3 carrots, 3 potatoes, and a partridge and a pear tree. Kidding. And some ginger. It smells really good. Yum yum. Actually, this is gonna be, I'm gonna make some tea out of this too. Like, just infuse it with boiled water. It's really good. And these 3 mangoes were about 5 each today, and they're very ripe and perfect. And then I got 4 bananas, and I ate one on the way home. So I made a list of what I was going to do with everything. And that'll be the next video, I think, maybe trying the chocolate and showing what to do with the food so it goes far. So I calculated that what I paid for everything was going to make me, if this lasts for 4 days, this means I've spent about 60 kroner per day if this only lasts for 4 days. And I had a few things in the larder, so I had risotto and barley and a couple of other, like coffee, and it's a little hard to go back and forth between different languages for me. Not so awesome. So yeah, I had coffee. And yeah, so the next video I'll show what to do with all this. And it did take time. It took me about 3 hours, but I kind of dawdled, and Grønland-Torg's always busy. And oh, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow if I have time. Shopping in Grønland-Torg. It's an awesome place to shop, And they have really great fruit and vegetables and produce and cheese and baklava. Their staff's really super nice, and that's really one of my favorite places to shop in Gronland. Yeah. Okay. Hada.